Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everybody are safe and sound at home. Welcome to today's class. So far, we are going with the story, second unit, A Reading True Height, the story of Michael Stone, who was pole vaulter. Now, let us continue the story. From the age of 14, Michael did just that. He began a very careful and regimented weightlifting program. He worked out every other day with weights with some kind of running work on alternate days. The program was carefully monitored by Michael's coach, trainer, and father. Michael's dedication, determination, and discipline was a coach's dream. Besides being an honest student, Michael Stone continued to help his parents with their farm chores. Michael's persistence in striving for perfection was not only his obsession but his passion. Mildred Stone, Michael's mother, wished that he could relax a bit more and be that free dreaming little boy. On one occasion, she attempted to talk to him and his father about this, but his dad quickly interrupted, smiled, and said, "You want something, work for it." So, dear students, as to realize the dream of Michael Stone, what was the dream of Michael Stone? To fly high. Yes, so from the age of 14, when he was at the age of 14 years, then only he started working hard to realize his dream. So, what was the thing that he used to do? Running and weightlifting. So, that every day he used to go for weightlifting program, and alternate days he used to go on running work and everything. So whatever the works that he started doing, that weightlifting and the running program, was carefully monitored by Michael's coach, trainer, and father. So here it is, regimented. So how he used to do the works? So he used to do very strictly and in an organized manner. Every day he used to go for weightlifting, and as well alternate days he used to go for a running program and everything. So whatever the things has been started doing by him, then those were monitored. We nothing but observe or check. Who used to observe or check his work? His coach, trainer, and father. All three together. Yes, coach, trainer, and father. Three together. Nothing but who is that? Who was that? Bert Stone, who was Michael Stone's father. So Michael Stone's father used to check all his work. And Michael's dedication, determination, and discipline was a coach's dream. So, being a student, what kind of student do a coach expect? Every coach expects a student who possesses the three important qualities. They are dedication, determination, and discipline. So, what is the meaning of dedication? Committed to a purpose or task. So, dedication means nothing but a strong commitment to get succeeded in something, whatever you go for. Yes, and determination, nothing but a strong willpower to succeed, to get success in your aim or goal. And what is discipline? Nothing but obedience. You should obey all the things in a very disciplinary manner, in an obedience manner. So here it is, these three qualities together called 3Ds. So these, dear students, these 3Ds are very, very important, not only for Michael Stone. These three qualities are very, very important for everybody who wanted to get succeeded in their life. I hope you do possess these three 3Ds to get success in your academic standards. Now, here Michael Stone has started doing all his program very strictly in an organized manner. Then, besides being an honest student, Michael Stone continued to help his parents with their farm chores. So here it is besides. Here what is the meaning of besides here? Besides means nothing but along with. Along with. So besides means nothing but along with. So along along with that those programs like weightlifting and running, he also used to help his parents in the farm chores. So what is the meaning of chores? Regular tasks. So whatever the work used to be done on farm, so he not only works hard to get to realize his dream, like weightlifting and running, he also used to help his parents on farm. So he is such a very great person. And Michael's persistence in striving for perfection was not only his obsession but his passion. So, whatever the hard work that Michael Stone started doing, it's not just his obsession. So, here it is. What is a persistence? What is the meaning of persistence? The fact of continuing to try to do something in spite of difficulties. Though it is difficult as a very young child, but he never give up. He never wanted to give up his dream. Yes. So here it is. So whatever that, every time he used to do very hard work. Striving means he used to do very hard work to get perfection. So that was his, to get perfection. Not only his obsession. Obsession means a state in which a person's mind is completely filled with a thought of one particular thing or person. Obsession means nothing but it is not only the particular state of getting success in his dream. It also is passion, it's a zeal, a strong will, a strong determination and dedication to get succeeded in his dream. And Mildred Stone. Who is Mildred Stone? Mildred Stone is a, yes, here it is. Who is Mildred Stone? Who is Mildred Stone? This Michael's mother. Michael's mother. So here it is. Michael's mother seeing Michael, a very such a young 14 years child, working very hard to get success in his dream. That means going with an weightlifting and running, and as well helping in the farms. She used to feel pity of him. So that what did she expect? So that free dreaming little boy, so that he could have a relaxation as a free dreaming little boy. As he was a young man, he had to have a little relaxing time. So that one day, this Michael Stone, that who is she? She is a mother. Michael's mother told that Michael should have a relaxation because he is very young, 14 years child. He might not do such a hard work. Now and then he should have a relaxation. At that time, interrupting the thought of Mildred Bedstone, Michael's father said, he just simply smiled and said, "You want something, work for it." Because that was his motto, right? So that you want something, you work for it. So indirectly, he used to say that Michael Stone, as he wanted to get success in something, let him work. Let him work hard, so that if he once he accustomed to work hard, then he definitely gets success in his dream. So as an encouragement to Michael Stone. So dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you have understood well, and will continue this